Hey Trendy Squad, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. If you're not a part of the Trendy Squad, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of the Trendy Squad too. So Trendy Squad, today is a hair video. It has been a minute since I've done a hair video. This was kind of like more of like a hair vlog. So hit that subscribe button if you're ready for today's video and give me a thumbs up if you're excited, because it's been a long time since I've done a hair video. So I'm actually going to be getting my hair braided, and I am going to try to find hair. I couldn't find hair at the first store, but now I'm at like this huge warehouse, so hopefully they have what I need. It's also braiding season, so if you needed some inspo to get your hair braided, I hope that this inspires you. Drop it in the comments down below if you want to get your hair braided too, or do a protective style for the summer. And what protective style you're doing, I would love to know. But yeah, so I'm like parked right now outside of this like huge warehouse, so let's go see what type of hair they have. All right. All right, Trendy Squad, let's see what they got. Yo, this is huge. Okay, Trendy Squad, so I was thinking about getting this color 27 because of the blonde in my hair, but I also see this one that's like a combination of dark and light, since my roots are dark right now. So I don't know, I think I might buy two, like one of this and one of the other, and maybe she can mix it. We'll see. But this place is huge. Look how big this place is. Oh my gosh. All right, Trendy Squad, so after much deliberation with my friends, I was able to pick a color. Alexia's sister suggested I mix two colors together, and I'm like, that's it. Thank you. So I got 30 and 27 instead of just getting 27, because I figured 27 would be too bold because my roots are like dark brown right now. So let me show y'all. Okay, Trendy Squad, so I got 48 inches, boo. 48 inches. And this is 30 and this is 27. So I think if it's mixed, it'll kind of look like your girl's hair. Oh wow, it looks really scary right there, but let me show you guys this side. You know, it will look more like my hair. So these are the two colors that I got. My hairstylist, my braider, she wanted this specific brand. I'm used to using Yaki when I do my braids, but let's see how it looks with this brand. And yeah, Trendy Squad, if you guys use this brand, let me know in the comments down below. So yeah, Trendy Squad, that's the hair that I got, and I think it's gonna look super nice. I think she's gonna be able to like just blend the hair together, and it'll kind of flow better with like my darker roots and the lighter ends and stuff, because I haven't gone to the salon to dye my hair again. So I think like this blend will be really nice. But yeah, so I'll see you guys when I get to the salon tomorrow. And also, once my hair is done braiding, I'm gonna show you guys the before and after in terms of like what I asked for and what I got. I made it to the salon, and here's my braider, Kiana. First step is for me to go ahead and wash my hair. So she's washing my hair right now, and I love it when other people wash my hair. It feels so good. All right, Trendy Squad, so just washed my hair, and I was asking her like what does she usually do to prepare for braiding, and she said she uses like a clarifying shampoo and makes sure that the scalp is moist before she locks in the style. So the process might take about like 4 to 5 hours, and then I should be out of here. So I can't wait for you guys to see my braids. Okay, my hair is washed and drying in a microfiber towel. Next step is to blow dry my hair before the braids. I love it when two people blow dry my hair. I just feel like I'm being pampered. All right, Trendy Squad, so these are the two colors.
Where'd you go? Oh, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on an island. Yeah. It's about time we're making up. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you for said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to won't you? So come close, won't you? Won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? Breathe heaven is place on earth.
Inches. Hey Chinese squad, so we have reached the top of my hair now, and I can't wait to see how it looks. So we just kind of talked about like which angle it's gonna be in. Do you want to say hey?
Sure. Hello.
So yeah, let's see. We're kind of almost done. Halfway.
It's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an visions how we play.
Alright, Chinese squad, so braids are still underway. I just had a little snack, about to have some tea because we need a little break. But you guys, it's really close to being done. Can't wait to see how it looks at the end. Right now, it looks pretty good so far. So I can't wait to show you guys what it looks like in the end and then give you the what I asked for versus what I got. Let's see if I got what I asked for. So you know when you're at the salon and there's constant girl chat, but they've been talking about this spaghetti all day, like everybody left and right. Watch this.
Spaghetti.
Yes, literally all day. I'm like, this spaghetti better be busting, because where is it? Let me taste it, because...
We need the girl chats to keep the vibe alive. If not, we would be bored. I had such a great time. So right now they're sealing my hair by dipping it in hot water so the synthetic hair is more flexible and soft. So now she's doing the same with a wet hot towel for the top part of my braids. Really trying to make some great content, you know? Like make sure I film every single thing. I've been really working on that so that you get every last detail of everything that's going on. So this is my favorite part, the foam setting mousse. So this sets my braids and we're pretty much done. Just gotta lay the baby hairs. Hey Trendy Squad, so I just finished getting my hair braided. You guys, look how it looks. Okay, so this is the 27 and the 30 together, and I think it came out pretty nice. So this is who did my hair today. Introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Kiana. I work at NR Hair Salon in Pinecrest, Florida. So if you're ever looking to get your hair braided, colored, cut, taken care of, come to us, but make sure you book in advance because we get booked really fast.
All right, you guys heard her, so come get your hair did over here, okay? Look at my braids, yes. Trendy Squad. Do you like my hair or do you like my hair, Trendy Squad? Because, girl, baby, take me on a trip. I'm ready to go. Where are we going? You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, Trendy Squad. So this is how my hair looks post braiding. My hair is braided up. Your girl has some inches. I kind of think next time I'm gonna add even more inches because I want my hair like to the flow. Yes, Trendy Squad, so I definitely want inches on inches next time, like past my butt. I don't know if I'll do the same style, probably do something different, but anyway, did she deliver? So now is the time, what I asked for versus what I got. So what do you guys think? Did she deliver? Or no? Did she deliver or did she deliver? Okay? Because I think she did an amazing job, Trendy Squad. Like, look at the top of my head. Okay? It looks so pretty. And I was very skeptical about, like, you know, the two-tone, as you guys know, when I was at the store and everything. But thanks to Alexia's sister. Thank you. Thank you, Brittany. Thank you, because I would have never combined these two. I kept saying other things and trying to figure out other colors, but I think this combo is the winner, okay? Because of like my dark, you know, like my hair is growing out and stuff and it being like darker, I was kind of skeptical, You know, I kind of thought that I just didn't want it to look not natural, basically. You know what I'm saying? Like, this kind of gives like natural but bold vibes, but I didn't want it to be just dark and then blonde. So thank you, Brittany girl, for helping me out with that one. But yeah, Trendy Squad, that's it for today's video. Hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed already. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and comment down below what braiding hairstyle that you have right now, because it's summertime, and if you like my hair and any questions you have for Kiana. So yeah, just let me know in the comments down below. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, Trendy Squad.
Right up to the